Very good morning, students. Now, as you remember, we have started this chapter in last video, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Okay, we have already seen how everyone was talking about the Hilsa fish and how Gopal had changed his appearance. Okay, now see, I am linking the chapter from here as Gopal smearing the ash on his whole body, and he has half shaven, okay, and he wear rags, it means torn clothes he has wear, and he, without saying a word to his wife, in this funny look, he went away from his house. Okay, now what happened next? See, Gopal brought the Hilsa fish. Here he bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Mother, look at the man, isn't he comical? One of the boys said in that crowd, Mother, look out this boy, he looks so comical. Okay, now see what happened next. He must be a madman. The villagers were discussing, he must be, his appearance looked like so raggy that he must be a madman. Oosh, I think he is a mystic. Someone said, I think he is a mystic. Next, when Gopal reached the court, now King has, as you remembered, King has challenged to Gopal, and now Gopal is at the court. What do you want? I want to see the king. Here the guards say, what do you want? Gopal said to them, I want to see the king. You can't see the king. Get away with you. Okay, get away from here because you can't see the king. Gopal began to dance and sing so loudly. After rejection the guards at the king's palace rejected him or abandoned him to go inside. So Gopal began to dance and sing very loudly. Then what happened? See, inside the palace, the man is crazy. Throw him out at once. Okay, someone informed the king, and the king invited him in his court. I want to see the king, let me in. What the man is saying, what that mad man is saying, let me see the king at once only. Bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty, the courtiers said, one of the courtier, yes, your majesty, I will bring that man to you. Gopal was brought before the king. Okay, and one of the courtier recognized it's Gopal. Okay, now Gopal was in front of the king, and one of the courtiers said, see, this courtier said, it's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. Okay, what the courtiers were discussing, yes, he is Gopal, but he has lost his mind. Now he becomes crazy. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. As Gopal was famous for his crazy jokes, and one of the courtier was thinking, now he is making a crazy jokes. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Ridiculous, it means strange fashion. Okay, the king asked Gopal, all right, I am with you, but why you dress up so ridiculously, so strangely? Your majesty, what Gopal said, your majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Okay, now he is remembering the king that you have challenged me something in the past. Forgotten something? Now the king was in a deep thing. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul, not a single soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. Are you getting my point here? Strangely enough, no one seems today to be interested in Hilsa fish today. No one was interested in Hilsa fish. They were seeing my appearance. They were, yes, people were in the market, but they were laughing at me. They were making jokes on me. They were saying me crazy man, okay, or mad man. But no one was saying about Hilsa fish a single word. Okay, as you people have also remember, the king had challenged to Gopal on this. Okay, now see, only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Now the king has remembered, yes, I challenged you Gopal in the past, and you have completed your challenge, you have fulfilled your challenge, and you have now what in what condition Gopal is now? See, has he won the challenge or has he thrown back out of the challenge? See what happened next. Haha, well Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. What the king said, yes Gopal, you have won that challenge given by me and you achieved it successfully. Once again you have achieved the impossible. Okay, Gopal was famous for the impossible things. Now he has achieved. Okay, and let me remember you have to write down this one in your homework, true and false, true or false against each of the following. You have to complete this in your notebook, and question answers I will send you, and I will again remembering you the main points from this chapter. As we have already seen, everyone was talking in the kingdom about the Hilsa fish. Okay, in the court of king also the talkings were of the Hilsa fish. No one was staying calm. Okay, everywhere Hilsa fish, the season of Hilsa fish was there. Then Gopal took the challenge from the king. One day I will come at your court and no one will talk about Hilsa fish. Okay, Gopal accepted this challenge. Then what happened? Gopal went at home. He smeared the ash on his face. He dressing in rags. Then he was half shaven. Okay, and in this appearance he was out of the house. Okay, his wife was shouting on him, please, have you gone mad? Don't go in this appearance out of the house. But Gopal did not listen to her. Gopal bought Hilsa fish. After went away from the house, he bought Hilsa fish. Now you can see in his hand, see, Hilsa fish is there. Okay, and everyone looking at him. But in this way, what happened? Everyone was looking, everyone was laughing. See this madman. Now he is become crazy. Okay, and now Gopal reached at the court, and guards abandon him. The guards stop him. You will not go in the king's court because king will not allow you. By seeing his appearance, the guards told Gopal, you are not allowed to go inside. But what the king insisted the guards, okay, that madman wants to see me or wants to meet me once, send him inside. Same in my court. So Gopal was brought before the king, in front of the king. One of the courtier recognized, "Arey, it's Gopal. He is not a madman, he is Gopal." Okay, but he became crazy. Now the Gopal remembered the king. "Sir, you have forgotten something, and that is what? You challenge me once. There will be a day no one will talk about Hilsa fish." Okay, and the king congratulate Gopal. "Yes, Gopal, today no one is talking about Hilsa fish, but everyone is talking about your appearance, and once again by your intelligence you have won." Okay, you have already owned the situation. Okay, you have proved impossible again possible. Now we have finished this chapter here, and you have to write down the summary in your revision. Okay, so take care of you.